Hi and welcome to this video. My name is Brian Nelson from Encaustic Art Plus, based in Elsica, South Yorkshire. Today I'm just going to talk to you about the two different types of hot plate available for encaustic art. You have the mini compact hot plate, which will take up to just over the size of A5 painting card, that is powered by an iron. There's a full video on my list of videos for you to watch just solely about this machine, so I'm not going to go into lots of detail. And then I want you to say hello to the Regensburger Stay Hot, but it's also known as the A2 Ultimate Hot Plate by Encaustic Art International, and this is because they had it specially branded. I've got both versions and I just happened to have pulled out a Regensburger. So these red lines on the hot plate are the eating elements. So when it's switched on, these are the bits that get warm, and it'll take just over A2 sized painting card or canvas or any other substrate you wish to pop on there. So the controls on here are much more accessible and easier to alter than on the compact hot plate, because on the compact hot plate it's an iron and it's underneath, and you've got to get right under there and you're trying not to burn your fingers and all that stuff. So on here I've just drawn on this hot plate some arrows and a mark to show roughly where the temperature dial and things are. So we'll set off. You have a power cable coming out of one corner, straightforward power cable. Then you've got a red on-off switch, 0 for off, 1 for on, and it'll light up so you know you've got power. And then you've got this dial here, and the dial is numbered 1 to 12, and I've put a mark on the top of this hot plate just with a pen for the purpose of this video, so you can see. Just let this warm up a little bit, but it goes right up to number 12, basically the dial. So I've just spun it right round to 12 and right down to 0, which is just a white mark. So when that white mark's at the top, that's like off. I wouldn't leave it just stood like that. I always just knock the power off on my switch. So I'll just spin it all the way up, and you can hear the thermostat kick in and out. It just clicks. Sometimes you will see me use a piece of silver metal over the top of my hot plate. That's just to help you to see the colours more clearly on the videos. You can use lots of different tools and brushes and scraping tools, sponges and all sorts of things. Again, you'll find individual videos on all the different tools that you can use with the hot plates on the videos on the channel. Thank you for watching this short video and introduction to the hot plate. Feel free to visit the videos on the channel where I'm using the hot plates. You'll find some already uploaded where I'm using the smaller hot plate, and then as the weeks go on, the larger hot plate will be used more and more. New videos are uploaded every Wednesday evening. Happy painting, everyone, and we'll look forward to seeing you all in our next video. Please hit like and subscribe.